Hi guys, welcome to V&D Tech Channel. This video is about collecting log files from Alcatel OmniPCX Enterprise OXE system. In my first video, I mentioned how to start capturing the output of the PuTTY tool. For those who don't know this, I will briefly explain it now. When you open the PuTTY, you enter the IP address of the OXE, then just left side you can see logging, select logging. On the right side window, select all session output, then give a suitable name and add .txt, t or .log, then press Browse button and select Desktop or any other folder to save in your computer. Now press Open. Now whatever commands you enter on PuTTY window will be captured in the text file. Now let us see how to capture the logs of OXE PABX. First command is config space all. This command will give the status of all boards connected to the OXE cabinets, whether they are in service or out of service. Registered not initialized means the board is created in the system but not connected. Sometimes the board is connected but faulty. If we want to see the status of a specific cabinet, then you can enter config space 1 or config space 2, etc. If you want to see the status of a specific board, you can use config space 1 space 3. Means status of cabinet 1 board number 3. Next command is excvisu. This command is used to view the incidents. All the incidents of the OXE will be listed here, but this will cease start from the previous restart of the system. If you want to view the incidents before the previous reboot of the system, you can type old incvisu space -1 or old incvisu space -2, and so on. Next command is excvisu. This will list the backtraces or exceptions of the OXE system for a good working system. The excvisu command output should be nothing or very minimal. If you have a lot of backtraces in the system, you have to reload the static patch once again. It will resolve 80% of the backtraces from your system. Next command is listerm space all. This command will list all terminal details with the status. By this command, you can come to know how many terminals or users are working and how many are out of service. Now, next command is checkdb. This command is used to check the database. If the database is good, the output of this command will be few dotted lines only. If you see any problem on this, you can stop the telephone application by going to swinst login and then take a backup of database. Now you have to create an empty database. After this, you can restore the database. 80% of database problems will be resolved by this procedure. Next is top command. The top command will give the running applications in the server, the memory and hard disk usage, which application is taking more memory and disk space. As this is a real-time command, you have to press Ctrl-C to come out of this command. So guys, this all for now. If you have any doubts regarding OXE system, you can write them in the comment box below. I will follow the comments and will reply to it. If necessary, I will make another video to address your query. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.